Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a traveler's notebook page that I titled Happy Spring Days, but it's smaller than a normal traveler's notebook. It's 4x6 twice. So I'm using the digital version of the collection, My Favorite Easter by Echo Park, and I'm starting with the one page that just has that full page covered with a pattern paper, and then there will be some embellishment that goes with it. And then I have this tag, and there is one of the journal cards, I guess, and I just resized it a lot. That's the nice thing when working with digital versions of this, then you can use it in any size that you need it to be, rather than having to go with the sizes that it comes with when you get a paper or a physical product like that. So here I am then continuing on the other side of the page, and there is a paper strip and then a small paper strip that goes down the page there, and I'm just loving the beautiful patterned papers there. And then I have two photos that I want to add to this, and it's kind of a similar, only in hindsight did I realize the two pages are quite similar, but it doesn't matter because I will be adding more pages. I have tons more photos at this stage where I have been recording our spring season this year, so it's very nice. And I have this little paper flag. So again, I didn't run a card around the edge, didn't distress the edges basically of that large piece of paper on the right side, but I did with the little paper strips. So just wherever there is a paper that will sit on top of another paper, I think it just does a lot to add contrast and shadow play to the page, which is much nicer. And then I have all these spring kind of word strips that I will be sharing very soon on my blog, MistyHilltops.com, as well as a spring Easter digital scrapbook collection that I will be starting to share soon. So if you are interested in getting some freebies, you should definitely check out MistyHilltops.com. There's a ton of digital collections and word strips, cut files for Silhouette and SVG, whatever. So lots of things for free. MistyHilltops.com. So here I am just adding a bunch of word strips to my page. And I hadn't yet printed and cut these spring words, so when I had made the other page, so I went back to the other page that I did before in a previous video to add the word strips there as well. And here are some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.